Hello, good morning. This is from Service Department. Tricia Angeles speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to order a meal for lunch.
Sure, can I get your name and your room number, ma'am?
I'm Arlene Angeles and my room number is 208.
Thank you very much. Can I get your order, ma'am?
I want pork sisig without egg, plain rice, and 1 bottled iced tea.
For your iced tea, ma'am, is it less sugar or not?
It's less sugar, please. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, we have a new type of beverage. It's blue lemonade, one of our best sellers. You want to try it?
No, thank you.
Noted, ma'am. Is there anything else?
Nothing. That's all. Thank you.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? 1 pork sisig without egg, plain rice, and 1 bottled iced tea. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, that's all.
What kind of mode of payment do you prefer, ma'am? Is it cash, any online transaction, or card?
It's through cash.
Okay, ma'am. By the way, how much is your money, ma'am?
It's 500 pesos.
Okay, ma'am. Your total bill amount is 220. Your order will be served in or be done by 15 to 20 minutes. Kindly wait until it's served in room number 208. Thank you for using room service facilities. I hope you enjoy your meal. Have a nice day. Good afternoon. This is from service for room number 208. Can I come in?
Yes, please.
Where can I put your order, ma'am?
Just put it on the table.
Ma'am, if you need any assistance, just call the room service department. Thank you and have a nice day.